Hi Bella, I saw your question about how you have the 84 calculator and we're having some problems graphing. So I wanted to pull up the one that I have online. Sorry about the background, but in order to graph on the 84, you go to y equals, and I'm going to say 2x minus 4. Oh, I can't do that. 2x minus 4. And I'll say I have negative 3x plus 2. Okay? Oh, I did it again. Sorry. Negative 3x plus 2. Okay, so you type them in, and then you hit the graph button. Oh, mine's saying, let's see, go to. Okay, so I got to go back to my y equals. So quit. Y equals, let's see, 2x minus 4, and, oh, here, I know what it is. This has to be a negative on here and not a minus. There we go. Now let's try to graph it. Sorry about that. But it's important to learn. What happened is when I typed in negative 3x, I used the subtraction sign instead of the negative, and you saw that error. Okay, but your question was about how to find the point of intersection. And so on the 84, you have to go second trace button because that gets you to the blue calculate. You're going to go down to number 5 and pick intersect. And then yours is different than the Inspire. Right now, the cursor is on one of the lines and it says first curve question mark. I want to say yes, so I hit enter. And then you see the cursor jump to the second curve and it says second curve question mark. And so yes, it's on the other curve, so hit enter. And then it says guess question mark. Basically, do you want me to guess what the point of intersection is? So you're going to click enter one more time and it tells me that in this case, the point of intersection is 1.2 comma negative 1.6. Now there is a chance that when you're doing it, if it's giving you an error, that you don't have a point of intersection. If it was in the situation where you have two parallel lines, maybe that could be part of the problem. The other thing is you want to make sure that the window shows the points that you're looking for. Okay, hopefully that helps a little bit. If you have follow-up questions, feel free just to email back with what that is if I didn't actually cover what you were confused about. And just as another side note, if in this distance learning model this isn't a good way for me to help you, you could use Desmos. So I do want to help you learn how to use your calculator, but if you want to, you can graph in Desmos. We are allowing that on test quizzes and while you're doing your homework. So you could have done the same thing. You just type y equals 2x minus 4 or whatever I had. Y equals negative 3x plus 2. I don't know what I had. And then actually on Desmos, you can see that the point is right there. You actually just hover over it. It tells you it's 1.2 negative 1.6. Again, bigger picture, I do want you to learn how to use your calculator, so hopefully this clears it up. But if you can send me more specifics, I can help as well. Thanks a lot, and I hope you're doing well. I miss you guys, and hope to see you. Well, guess I found out today I won't see you soon, but take care and be in touch. Bye.